Hi, I'm Roses59. Today I'm going to show you how to make a log candle holder. For this project, I'll be using firewood, and I just purchased mine at Home Depot. Now you want to take your template, and I've just taped it with painter's tape on each side. Now you have to remember that each side might be a little bit different. The best way I found that worked for me was just eyeballing it to see what was center. Now you want to take your center punch tool and make a mark right in the middle. For adding your clear coat, I've already done the ends and the edges as well. Now I'm ready to do the top. Now all you gotta do is add your tea light in, light them up with a match, and let it glow in the dark. Thanks for checking out this video. All links are in the description below for this video. Definitely subscribe for more videos just like this. Don't forget to share this video and post your comments below. Some of the best tips and feedback come from you. Thanks for watching.